This is any system ax equals b with b not equal to 0. For example, solve ax equals b with a equals 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, and b equal to minus 1, 2, 1. Write this as an augmented system and reduce. Pause the video to work this out and try to write the solution. You didn't pause, did you? Alright, this becomes x1 plus x4 equals minus 1, x2 minus x4 equals 1, and x3 equals minus 2. Solve for the pivots. Write the vector x, replace the pivots, separate into constants and free variables, and factor out the free variables. Don't forget the for any x4. This is the solution set written parametrically. Notice this is not the span of vectors. It is, however, parallel to the span of minus 1, 1, 0, 1. Think about this span as a line that passes through the origin. The solution set to our system is parallel to that line, so shift it off the origin. Think about why I said this is a line. It's accurate, what that parallel means, and what it would look like if there were two or more vectors in that span.